Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
If your sink is making a knocking noise, it's often due to water hammer, which occurs when fast-closing valves suddenly stop water flow, causing shock waves through the pipes. This can be resolved by installing water hammer arrestors, which absorb the shock. Another cause might be high water pressure. Check the pressure, and if it's above 60 psi, consider installing a pressure reducer. Ensuring your plumbing system is in good repair and fittings are secure can also help mitigate this issue.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.